Type 2 diabetes doesn't have to control your life. Food can be your medicine. What if your next meal could help reverse your diabetes? These 5 foods can naturally bring your blood sugar back into balance. Don't manage diabetes, fight it with your fork. No pills, no gimmicks, just real food, backed by science. Your kitchen might already have the ingredients to reverse diabetes. Tired of feeling tired? These foods fuel your body the right way. You're just 5 foods away from better blood sugar control. If you eat 2, live eat to heal 2. Let's turn the table on type 2. Leafy greens are low in carbs and packed with fiber, ideal for blood sugar control. Spinach, kale, collard greens, they're all diabetes fighters. High in magnesium, greens improve insulin sensitivity. They help detox your liver, which regulates blood sugar. Green veggies are low glycemic, no sugar spikes here. Salad a day keeps the sugar crash away. Okay, blend them, eat them, raw, just get them in. The fiber slows digestion and helps avoid sugar spikes. They're rich in antioxidants that reduce inflammation, a diabetes root cause. Leafy greens reduce the need for insulin over time. Want to lower A1C? Start with greens on your plate. They're cheap, available everywhere, and powerful. Add lemon to spinach for extra absorption of nutrients. Greens are food for your pancreas. Literally, start your lunch or dinner with a bowl of greens. It changes everything. Cinnamon isn't just a spicy, it's a blood sugar stabilizer. Just 1/2 teaspoon a day can improve insulin function. It mimics insulin and helps glucose enter your cells. Sprinkle it on oats, smoothies, or Greek yogurt. It lowers fasting blood sugar by up to 10 to 29%. Choose Ceylon cinnamon's purer and safer. This warm spice cools down your glucose levels. Sprinkle a day can fight type 2 away. Use it in teas, desserts, or even coffee. Cinnamon reduces insulin resistance naturally. It's delicious and medicinal, a rare combo. Add it to your morning routine and see the magic. Combine it with a low-carb meal for best results. Even the aroma helps reduce sugar cravings. It's ancient, powerful, and science-approved. Fatty fish like salmon are loaded with omega-3 south. Omega-3 south reduce inflammation, which worsens insulin resistance. Fish helps stabilize blood sugar and support heart health. It's low in carbs and high in healthy fat, a perfect diabetic combo. Aim for 2 servings of salmon per week. Sardines are small, but mighty for blood sugar balance. Fish fat helps repair cell membranes for better insulin function. Pair fish with veggies for a healing meal. Tuna, trout, and mackerel are great choices too. Grilled, baked, or steamed, avoid deep frying. DHA and EPA in fish fight diabetes at the cellular level. It improves cholesterol levels, which also affect diabetes. Fish keeps you full, preventing overeating and sugar dips. A fatty fish dinner is better than any dessert. Your pancreas loves fish oil. Feed it wisely. Tiny seeds, massive benefits. Chia seeds slow down carb absorption, preventing sugar spikes. They're full of fiber. Just 2 tablespoons equals 10 grams fiber. Chia helps reduce insulin resistance. They form a gel in your stomach, slowing digestion. Add them to water, yogurt, or smoothies. Chia pudding is a sweet way to control blood sugar. Omega-3 south plus fiber equals a diabetes-fighting duo. Chia seeds improve gut health, which impacts insulin. They make you feel full longer by cravings. Balanced blood sugar starts in your breakfast bowl. Try them overnight with almond milk and berries. Chia helps reduce belly fat, which worsens type 2. Affordable, shelf-stable, and available everywhere. These seeds are small, but mighty for diabetics. Beans are high in fiber and protein, perfect for blood sugar control. They digest slowly, keeping your sugar stable for hours. Black beans, chickpeas, and lentils all work wonders. They lower your glycemic response even when eaten with rice. Beans feed your gut with good bacteria. Lentils contain magnesium and potassium, both help regulate glucose. They reduce sugar absorption in the intestines. Meal prep them for easy diabetes-friendly lunches. They support weight loss, which helps reverse diabetes. Beans are a natural meat substitute with low fat. You can make soups, stews, or add them to salads. Canned beans? Just rinse them to remove sodium. They help stabilize energy levels throughout the day. 1 cup a day can reduce A1C over time. Affordable, filling, and excellent for reversing type 2. You're not stuck with diabetes, your body can heal. Food is the most powerful form of medicine. Every bite is either feeding disease or fighting it. You don't need to be perfect, just consistent. Healing starts on your plate, not in a pill bottle. Your next meal is an opportunity, not a trap. The best pharmacy is your kitchen. You have more control than you've been told. Let your food choices speak louder than your diagnosis. Reverse diabetes, regain your life. Ready to take control of your blood sugar naturally? Try these 5 foods and feel the difference within weeks. Like this video if you believe in healing through food. Subscribe to Eat Wise for more life-changing health content. Your journey to reversing type 2 diabetes starts now. Not wait.